What in the hell? What's going on here?
It's the first of the quarter. Need to turn it up. Need some superpowers here.
That's very true.
Oh, it's good to be back.
It's coming.
What? My first contract.
You got your first what?
Contract!
That little boy's growing up.
Alright, so I'm training for the dispo role. I finally got my first contract. Had to sell this thing sight unseen. You had to call a list of cold callers we've never met because it was 7 hours away. So that was real tough. It took about 2 months, I believe. It took 2 months, but I finally got the contract. I'm hoping this thing closes smoothly, and if it does, we got another solid buyer. So, I mean, it was a very good moment. It was very exciting. It was a big win for me. I don't know what else to say, except that I'm super hyped, and I want to do a lot more to go.
All right, so I got a call from Jessica yesterday about this lady, Mary Linders, and we're gonna have to change a few things that we're doing because, to be honest with you, I'm with you, and I have no idea who she is. But we got
10 contracts left. Let's go! 10 contracts.
I had a good face.
Aaron's like,
His face was the most priceless one because I think he was thinking, shit, please don't be me. Please don't be me.
Well, then, please don't be me.
All the reports lately, they have been me. So I'm like, alright, here we go.
After looking at his face, I couldn't do it anymore. I'm like, I'm done.
Guys, killer job. Wow.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Great job, guys. I didn't get one of those, so
I didn't even know. Good job, everybody.
What happened?
Well, Emily and I decided to partner up today. We decided to pull every lead out of our system, almost 8,000 leads that we did not close, and call every single one of them. And we've called 6?
7 now.
7, and we have 3 potential interested people that we got a price out of them, and it potentially works. So we can go lock them up. So we still have 9,000 some to call. It's going to be a long day.
Deal, baby.
Halfway to the goal in one goddamn contract?
Unbelievable. Had a deal in Texas. Comps were kind of all over the place. Locked it up with a 7-day contingency, and on the 6th day, we got a buyer contract signed for an $80,000 spread to us.
Wow.
Woo!
Awesome. I'll be done. And I know we need a driver's license.
Dude, it is a day, and you keep setting these little death candies on my desk, and I keep eating them. 10 new contracts this month, or this week.
Whoa.
Mm-hmm. Should be almost a $600,000 week. Mm-hmm. Might have to break out Dawn for this one.
Oh.
Not that Dawn, that Dawn.
Drink up, be merry.
what a funny look at that. Look at it. Stressful week means celebration.
The celebration!
You know, Scott, I just want to reward you a little bit for your hard work and pettiness today. Smell that. It smells like the payoff of hard work.
Okay.
Smell it.
Good job, guys. Cheers, boys.
Woo! Let's get wild.
So, somebody's birthday today. Or is it today?
Tomorrow's my birthday, but it's been a hell of a pre-birthday day. Does that make sense?
It's a nice little birthday beverage.
It's actually truly a great birthday beverage. See what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
You were supposed to go on an appointment with me yesterday. I had Lindsay put it on your calendar,
And she says, wow, Scott called in sick on the one day he's supposed to go to an appointment with you. And I said, I don't know if Scott's sick. I think he's just busy. Let's give him the benefit of the doubt.
Did I call in sick to you? No, I asked him. Oh, because it's none of your business. Oh!
So she said, Scott comes in 366 days out of the year, but the one day he has an appointment with you on the calendar, he doesn't come in?
Hey, I won't be in today. You good with that appointment without me? If anything, lock her up. We can always transition to seller financing. Or I can get on the phone.
What an awesome week we just finished. We got 10 contracts in for the week, probably worth somewhere around $450,000, $500,000. We got a contract in Dallas, Texas, $80,000 spread on an assignment. Most of the houses there are $80,000, so that's pretty killer. Joey, our new dispo guy, got his first contract in. It's always good to see somebody get their first contract because you know that they get it. They get what they're doing and they can move on and get 100 more. Also, our vibe in the office this week was really good. Everyone was pumped. Whenever we have contracts coming in like that, everyone is pumped. Our escrow team was out of the office. We literally bombarded the person, filling in for them with 10 new contracts. It's been a really fun week. We're gonna carry this momentum to the end of the year. We already filled our entire pipeline that meets our goal for the entire quarter. I mean, that is really cool. So I can't wait to see what we can accomplish by the end of this quarter.